Oh, I love the paper. This is so exciting. Welcome to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery and I'm so happy you're here today. A Spoonie is someone who has a chronic illness and a stitcher is somebody who makes art with textiles. This channel is all about creativity. Anything that makes you just feel happy and creative, that's what I'm all about over here. I also test products, I do tutorials, and of course, I try new things. I love trying new things. It's a lot of fun. So if you feel like this is your kind of community, please hit the subscribe button and like this video and be part of the wonderful Yarn Zebra family. I just got some happy mail. This is What's Up Cupcake Crafts.com. This is a small shop that I learned about from Crochet, and I saw her video and I had to check out this shop. And I'm so glad I did. Y'all, shopping small is just so exciting. First of all, they put so much love and care into their work, into their packaging. It's just so exciting to shop small. So I highly recommend that you find all the small shops you can. I'm really dedicated on finding lots of small shops this year. I'm very excited. So you'll see lots of me scoping out the small shops this year. Okay, so this is What's Up Cupcake Crafts, and I am so excited to get into this. Let's do it. Okay, so it says, Shannon, thank you for supporting my small business. You made my day. Please enjoy a discount off your next purchase on whatsupcupcakecrafts.com. And then she gave me a special code. Her name is Christine, and here are her, hold on. There we go. Here's her information if you would like to follow her on Instagram. And oh, she has a YouTube channel. I'll have to follow you, Christine. I did not know you had a YouTube channel. That's awesome. Okay, I'm so excited. All right. What's Up Cupcake Whimsical Crafts. Oh, here's all the information if you would like to pause. Okay. I got bonus stickers because I think I did order some stickers. Anyway, oh my gosh, I love these bags. Every time I try to get these from Amazon, they sell out. Oh, how sweet. Oh, look. Kitties and some Sanrio characters. So precious. Oh, and a glittery teal stitch marker. Christine, do you watch my channel? Oh, I love the paper. This is so exciting. I'm so excited. Okay, so she had some ami sticks for holding your pieces in place. But y'all, it was wicked. You know I had to. It's wicked. Look at this. Okay, let's take them out. It's Elphaba and Glinda as ami sticks. This is so darling. This is so cute. I'm so excited. And then I also got some stickers. They're waterproof vinyl stickers and they're capybaras. I thought that was cute. Oh, another bonus stitch marker. Thank you. This is what I saw on Crochet on her channel. These are safety eye installers as the cutest animals I have ever seen. I mean, I have lots of safety eye installers, y'all, but I've never seen any this cute. Also, I felt like this was a much better size to take on vacation than my giant safety eye snapper thing. So this is the bee, the fox, and the capybara. I mean, how precious are these? Okay, and they have little tutorials if you need to know how to use them, which is great. I'll probably make a short using these. I don't want to use them right now. I have nothing to install eyes in, but when I do, I'll probably make a short. Okay, this is the bee. How cute. So I had to get the bee, y'all. I had to, because that's my organizing style. You know, Christine, I'm just saying, you should add butterflies, crickets, and ladybugs, because then you'd have all 4 organizing styles. That would be funny. And I would buy them all. How cute is this little bee? Oh, this is darling. I'm so excited. Oh, here's the other side. So I believe these are 3D printed. That's what it looks like to me. But they look very substantial. So I'm excited. Okay, that's the bee. So here's the cute little fox. Oh! Here's the back. These are so cute. Yes, very excited to use these. Okay. And then the capybara. What? No way. So cute, right? This is adorable. I'm excited. This is cute. Okay, this is darling. Oh my goodness, y'all. You need this in your life. You need this in your life. I will put her website down below. Please go support small businesses. Please go support whatsupcupcakecrafts.com. This is adorable. I'm very excited to use these. So thank you so much, Christine, for having this shop available to us. I've never seen safety eye stuff and Ami sticks this cute. Prepare for shorts, y'all. Prepare for shorts. Amigurumi is coming. Also mermaid. Lots of May things. Anyway, thanks so much. Thank you so much for being here today. Remember, life happens. Yarn helps. And spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.